Almost all the roads in Accra have got asphalt overlays. The few that have not got, on daily basis, telephone calls coming to my office. Because of that, I have not allowed the Minister of Road to have his peace. I'm always after him to make sure that he will continue to do the rest. Accra, sometimes I say it's Ghana and Ghana is Accra. So let's do the roads in Accra. Let's do them very well as we have started. Many of them have been done. Places like Adan, where they are having petty problems because they are not under urban roads but with feeder roads, and we are looking at that one to make sure that those places can also shift to urban roads so that they can also get asphalt road.